Hello, my lovely children. How are you today? Hope that everything is fine with you. We have a new lesson this week. It's lesson number 4. We are still in chapter 10. It's Asian empires and religion. And today we are going to study about religion in China. So last time we spoke a lot about China, about empire, what is important. So religion is as well important for one country and for one dynasty. And I want to explain you that during China's period of the varying states, several new ideas developed. This considered one of the best time of China's philosophy. You see that I repeated few times when we spoke about East, about India, about new religion which developed in East, that is more philosophy than religion, and we have again philosophy. So people needed to make sense out of troubled time. One important idea to come out of this time was the idea of the yin and yang. Yin was darkness and weakness. Yang was brightness and strength. The Chinese believe that when yin and yang were balanced, there would be a peace. So you see that what is important for all religion, like peace, harmony. You remember that what I tell you a few lessons ago about Mahatma Gandhi, that he resolved everything in peaceful way, that everything in peace. China's people see this the same thing in different way. So you see yin and yang. This is the mark. How it looks. So when black and white are in balance, that's mean harmony, that's mean peace. Okay. The beginning of Confucianism. Another idea from this time became a major philosophy, Confucianism. A man named Kong Fuzi was born during the time of the varying states around 550 BC. Today we know this sage or wise teacher as Confucius. Few people listened to the ideas of Confucius during his lifetime, but over time his ideas become more popular. Teachers continued spreading his ideas. The Qin dynasty did not approve of Confucianism. Shi Huangdi had hundreds of teachers killed. He ordered all books of Confucianism burned. But some people hide many of these books. In this way, the ideas of Confucianism were saved. So we can learn a lot from people from the East. They're totally different, not so temperament and a deeply mindset up. That means like they think so deep, deep from the soul. It's more spiritual people, how to explain. I'm trying to find easier way to explain to you that you can understand this better. And what about ideas of Confucianism? So we had lucky that some of them saved some books from him, and you probably wondered what he did teach. Why would his ideas upset the rulers such as Shi Huangdi? Confucius lived in the time of many wars. He wanted law and wanted order. He thought that keeping the peace was the highest goal of government. Confucius said that the best rulers were fair and just. They first learned to rule themselves. Good rulers, Confucius said, should be like fathers are to their families. They should be loving and set a good example. Confucius did not write any books. His followers collected his sayings and wrote them down. The most famous book of saying is called the Anaclets. Confucius taught about how people should behave. He said the society would be at peace if people behave in the right way. People should treat others the way they want to be treated. So when you think deeply, more deeply, you will see a lot of similar things with your religion. Like I see, for the root in all religion is peace, to respect each other, to treat other people like ourselves. Understand? So that's the base what he taught, and that's why the ruler didn't like him. Okay, we're going to continue in next video with this lesson. I wish you great, and thank you once again for your attention. Keep it up with good work, and you have very big hug from your teacher Angelica. Bye.